Make a great choice today with the 2020 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, power sunroof, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.